Once you've decided on a program, credential, or certificate that fits your education and career goals, applying to National University is quick and easy. Start at our nu.edu webpage and click the Apply Now button. Then select the area of study you're interested in. Next, choose a degree program and specialization. Indicate if you're active duty military, a veteran, or a spouse or dependent of one. Next, choose when you plan to enroll at NU. As you make your way through the NU application process, don't hesitate to reach out to one of our helpful academic advisors with any questions you may have. It's important to start your NU education off on the best possible track. So now is the time to get answers and advice for all your questions and concerns. At National University, you never have to wing it alone. We have a flock of dedicated advisors eager to help with understanding information and guidance to simplify the application process and the next steps to take in your education. Once you've finished your application, it's time to look at the complete menu of services and support available to NU students, including benefits and assistance available to active military, veterans, and their families, scholarships, grants, and other financial aid opportunities, free tutoring, mentoring, and counseling, credit transfer possibilities and credit for your work or military experience, and plenty of other resources and assistance that can make all the difference in turning your education and career goals into reality. Wherever those goals and dreams may lead, applying to National University can be that important first step in your journey. See you soon on How to NU.